In this video, I'll guide you through how to add your HSBC card to Apple Wallet. This process is straightforward, and once completed, you'll enjoy the convenience of using Apple Pay with your HSBC card right from your iPhone. First, let's get started by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. You'll find this app pre-installed on your device, usually on your home screen. Once you're in the app, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a plus icon there. Go ahead and tap on that. After tapping the plus icon, you'll be presented with a couple of options. What you need to do here is select debit or credit card. This choice tells your iPhone that you want to add a new card to your Apple Wallet. Next, you have two options for entering your card details. You can either use your iPhone camera to scan your HSBC card, which is a quick and easy way to input the information, or you can type in the details manually if you prefer. If you're using the camera, make sure your card is well lit and positioned within the frame on your screen. If you're entering the details manually, be sure to double check the numbers to avoid any mistakes. Once your card details are entered, the next step involves verification. This is a crucial part of the process to ensure your card is securely linked to your Apple Wallet. You might be asked to verify your card through a one-time password or OTP, which will be sent to you via SMS. Alternatively, you might need to approve the addition through the HSBC mobile banking app. Follow the prompts on your screen to complete this step. After you've successfully verified your card, you'll see a confirmation that your HSBC card has been added to Apple Wallet. Now your card is all set and ready to use with Apple Pay. This means you can make secure, contactless payments at any store that accepts Apple Pay, as well as online and within apps that support this feature. And that's it. And that's how to add your HSBC card to Apple Wallet. With these steps, you can enjoy the ease and security of making payments directly from your iPhone. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to contact HSBC or Apple support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy spending with your new Apple Wallet setup.